Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, January 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, and the fact that it still hasn't broken structure to the downside tells me that we still could be in a wave 3. There's really no proof at all that we're in a bigger correction yet for the wave 4. And honestly, this very easily could just keep on drifting up very, very easily. So going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, we still don't have a break of structure. I mean, it did break, but so far it's a rejection. Now, looking how impulsive down this is, you would think that it would be an A and that this push up would be a B and that it would go down for a C and that this really would be a wave 4. And it definitely still could be that. And then eventually go back up and make a wave 5. I mean, that would be the most likely thing to happen according to Elliot wave. But the fact that it hasn't broken structure tells me there's also a possibility that it just keeps on drifting up. So if it's possibly in a way B on the shorter time frames, then we should be looking for longs. And while we're looking for longs, we're going to learn whether it makes an A, B, C, or B, or we're going to learn whether it just keeps on drifting up, making higher highs, higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, it definitely looks like a trend. One, two, three, four, five. It seems like it should be a wave A, and that this should be an A, B, C of B, and that it should go up to a percentage of this move down and then continue down again for a wave C, and that this really would be an A, B, C of 4. But like I said, sometimes what we think is a wave B just ends up continuing the uptrend. So we should be looking for longs right now, either way. And if we're looking for longs and we expect a wave B and it just keeps on drifting up, continuing the uptrend, then if anything, that just should produce more profits instead of being a problem that we thought it was a wave B. So if it's not a wave B, we should have more profits instead of if it was a wave B, we would have less profits. So anyways, going down to the 4 hour time frame, it looks to me like this first push up is a wave A. I think this right here is an A, B, C, or B. It right here definitely could be a wave C. If it is a wave C, then it probably will go up to either the 50% or the 61%. This would be an A, B, C, or B. It would bounce off this level, it would break structure, and it would continue the downtrend. And this would be a big wave A, this would be a big wave B, and this would be a big wave C. Like I said, I still believe this is the most likely thing to happen, but like I said, sometimes we think it's a way B and it just keeps on drifting up. So I would not be going short until I saw this picture right here with a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, very strong move as you can see, and I think this is very clearly a 1, a 2, and we're currently in a wave 3. I would expect this to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, at least to the 50 or even the 61.8. So I would for sure still be looking for logs on these shorter time frames. I believe we're in a wave 3 of wave C, most likely, which is most likely a wave C of wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.